Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of a logo, and that is the simplest way to make this type of logo. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file and taking new options, and then going to here the artboard 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, giving the name a logo, and the DPI is 300 ppi, and hit the create button. Going to the polygon tool, select once, write down 3 for the triangle and hit OK. After that, turn off the fill color, only the stroke color will keep. And then going to the move tool, press Alt option button, Alt for the Windows and option for the Mac, and you can make copy this shape by pressing drag and drop. So press the shift and hold it, and you will get the intersect option over there. So how to get the intersect options? Over there, going to the view options, here the smart guide and snap to point should be on. It will show you and help you out to make the guideline. And here all the setup like me, if you want, over there go to the Essential Classic. If you press like Essential Classic but not getting the similar tools like me, reset the Essential Classic over there, and then press Ctrl or Command D. Ctrl for the Windows and Command for the Mac, and you can repeat the shape. Ctrl or Command D. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. That's good. Select all the steps, press Alt option button again, and press the shift and hold it when you can get the intersect, and then lift this. Just flip vertically, and then all the steps you can make copy by pressing Alt option button, and then when you are getting the intersect options, just leave it. And now turn it like flip horizontal, actually vertical. All the steps select Alt option button and like that, and now press Ctrl or Command D for the repetition, so you can repeat more times. That's good. And we got our blueprint, and press Ctrl or Command G and make the alignment into middle, and Ctrl Shift G for the ungroup all the steps. If you don't ungroup this one, when you make the shape builders or when you are using the shape builders tool, you will get the more loading time. That's why I just ungroup this one. Now you will get the less loading time. That's good. Going to the shape builders tool, or you can press the Shift M from the keyboard, and then now we'll make the logo. If I take this one for our convenience, Ctrl or Command C, Ctrl Command V, and then keep it beside, or you can just follow the steps. Select all the steps, and then at first this line and this line. So this line should be start from here. Now shape builders tool again, and then black color. That's good. And it will start from here, not here, because of if you start from here, you will get the line like that. So start from this to this. Okay, that's fine. And then 1 2 3. That's good. Now we'll get this one, this line like that, and now this line like that. So you're getting easily, you can join them like that. So first or upper portion is done, and now here 1 and 2 over there will keep beside, and now you can draw like this, simple, and you should have to use that. So you are getting simplest way to make this. Okay, delete this. Going to here, that means the magic wand tool, select once over there and delete all the lines. Now select all the steps and turn off the stroke. If you keep the stroke, you can provide the color properly. So making it group, and then you can making it this one into middle of the artboard. So this one is the first option, the white portion. Going to the artboard, select Alt option button and press dragging, press the mouse and hold it and drag this one. Now we'll go to the rectangle tool, select or draw the square shape like this, and right press, going to the arrange and send it to back. So our background color and our logo color is same, that's why we couldn't see this. I'll make this one like this. Okay, that's fine. Now going to the text tool and write down something, the logo name. You should give the font size, that is 250. That's good. That is big actually. 200 is good for this situation. That's fine. And going to like Evening. Okay, Evening black is good options, and from the character options here is a lot more options, and making this one bigger. And now you can get the size like this and like that. So you should provide any sort of the letter which one started from A, like and in middle of the artboard. That's fine. And now select this, Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and take this one over there and making this one white. Or one thing is that you can make this one smaller. You can provide the gap between two letter like 150. That's good. And now you can making this one a little bit of bigger like that, or you can make this one a little bit of smaller. Or when you're making smaller, you should keep this one like that. That's good. I would like to keep only this, that means one letter. That's good. And you can provide more space by scrolling the mouse wheel. Okay, Avenue, and right press and create outline. When you are making create outline, this one is no longer font would be, it will be a vector font. Okay, create outline. Now this one is a vector form. Select once all the stuffs and the key pointer, the logo, and middle of the artboard. That's fine. Ctrl C. We can remove all the stuffs from here. So Ctrl select this artboard, Ctrl F, and then making this one another separate color, and it should be middle of the artboard. That's good. You have to group at first all the stuffs and into the middle of the artboard, and this one should be group, Ctrl Command G, and making this one middle of the artboard. That's good. Now time to make the mockup. So save this project in your directory anywhere if you want. Suppose here I'm using here the A logo. That's good. The name is replaced, that's why I'm providing the rename like this and saving this. And you can choose any sort of form. That means if you want to provide this one to vendor, ask vendor which version of the Illustrator he or she is using, and I'm just using CS because of this one is the safest version or safest way, and hit OK. That's good. And now we'll copy this project, actually this logo name and everything, Ctrl Command C, and here is our like mockup. I'll provide the mockup download link in my video description, please check it out. And here place your logo here, smart object, double press over there, it will open up new window. Turn off this previous one, Ctrl Command V, and hit OK, and then making this one bigger. That's good. And now and you can provide the color. Here is the white color actually. If you can use any sort of color by pressing over there. If you want to make this one a little bit of bluish, you could, and Ctrl Command S, save this one, it will save in this portion. Or if you want to change up the color like a little bit of like this, hit OK, Ctrl Command S, it will save in this window. I would suggest to change or explore the color if you want, it will be nice. So that's all for today. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, is signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.